Boys, you are running out of time. If you are in crypto right now, you are probably, in the same boat as a lot of us, where you're trying to make money and you want to make money so much so that you could quit your job, that you could provide for your family, that you could do whatever you want in life through crypto. And it's possible. It's still possible to this day to make a lot of money in crypto. And dare I say, life-changing money in crypto, considering we're at bottoms that we have not seen in years. But there's a caveat to that. We are at the end of, I think, the money-making online journey. I really do believe that, right? And you're probably saying, like, what the fuck do you mean? There's always going to be money to make. And sure, but what I'm saying is we are in the last few years of what I believe is the golden era of making money online, because AI, and God, you hear it fucking every day. AI is taking over this, it's taking jobs, but I don't think you see what I see. And I want to make this video just to warn you of the dangers that are about to come and kind of give you a little bit of urgency as to why you need to act now and you need to get out and make some fucking money so you can escape before it's too late. So I started off making money online when I was 13 years old. I've seen absolutely everything. The early days of YouTube, all the way to the drop shipping era, all the way till the crypto boom, where we're now just so deep in crypto that everybody understands what it is. I've seen a lot of different phases, and I've been making money for over a decade online. And I'm telling you right now, if you want to get rich, you are running out of time. Now, everybody knows about AI. We've all seen it. You've seen how crazy shit's gotten, and you've also seen the way the job landscape in real life has gone away. We're at a point now where it's not even safe to go get a fucking degree at college because your job could be gone within a fucking instant. You don't even know anymore. When has that ever been a problem before? Never. It has never been a problem. The old saying and the old way of life in at least America is go to college, get a degree, get a good paying job, live that American dream. That's no longer a thing anymore, okay? Okay, so college is out the way. That, like, if you're debating on going and getting like some basic level job in college, besides maybe like a doctor or something, I'd strongly advise against that. First off, I don't think that your job's gonna be around in 10 years, but it's also the same when it comes to making money online. That's what's so bizarre to me, is like you can make more money online right now than you ever could before. I mean, there's literally AI tools for absolutely everything that you could use. And what I'm saying is what used to take you maybe 6 months to do can take you a day to do, right? Like, competition is just, it's right here. Where the gap used to be pretty wide in terms of competition, like if you worked hard, you could outwork a lot of your competition. Not anymore. And even when it comes to stuff like trading and crypto, like, you guys don't see it. 90% of the crypto trading isn't even humans. It's bots, it's AI algorithms, it's going crazy. And I believe that that skill gap is gonna get so just obliterated that you're not gonna stand any chance. And this is really kind of a cry for humanity, if you wanna say that, right? I really wanna see people win. I wanna see people make their own way. I wanna see people get out of that rat race, because I know what it feels like. Okay, I've worked the shit jobs. I've worked the fucking 9-to-5s. I've seen what making a lot of money is and what working for shit change is as well. And I choose this every single fucking time. But the thing is, I don't think people are gonna have that opportunity much longer. The point I'm trying to make is jobs are a thing of the past, okay? They are going out right now. That is actually on the way out. Sooner or later, everything's gonna be fully fucking automated. You're not gonna need VAs. You're not gonna need assistants. You're not gonna need fucking factory workers. You're not gonna need any of that shit. And the same thing is going to happen with making money online and trading, in my opinion, which is why it comes back to crypto, right? I believe right now, in terms of the make money online space, the only real space right now that is not fully affected by this is crypto. It's because there's a lot of still humans trading. You're still seeing a ton of hype in the markets. I don't think it's gonna be that way forever. I genuinely think it's gonna get so automated and just bot filled that it's just not gonna be the same anymore. It's already happening, and you're already seeing that edge kind of go away. You know, what humans would think, oh, this is the top, this is the bottom. Now it's just algorithms trading each other. It's only gonna get worse from here, is what I'm trying to say. And when you hear me say stuff like, hey, you literally are running out of time, I 100% mean it, okay? It does not take a rocket scientist, it does not take a genius to see that everything is changing. But the world I see coming, 10, 20 years down the line is a world full of people that just can't make it, right? Like people that are stuck, like permanently stuck, because they're living on government assistance. They're already throwing around that term of universal basic income. Even people like Elon Musk is going after that shit. I think that's the reality. I don't think it's far-fetched that that is the way that the world is heading, that working is completely optional, but you'll just be a slave to the system, even more so than you are right now. So enough doom and gloom. How can you get out of this shithole that is happening right now? Like I told you, I believe it's crypto. And as you guys are aware, a couple weeks ago, I launched my app Market Mirror. Fucking incredible, by the way. But it shows you in real time what the whales are doing with their money. And a big thing that I believe is going to be of the future, and at least of the digital era that we're going into, is XRP. If you really look into XRP and what they're doing, it just makes sense. I talked about this nearly every day for 4 years, and I do believe in this coin, but also it's trading every single day. For example, this morning, I filmed a video, I'll throw it up on screen, where I showed you how to use this app, which was this feature right here. And it said we had some liquidations down there at like 72,300. We entered a short, which is pretty much betting on Bitcoin going down, woke up the next morning and printed. But you guys are always asking me how I do this stuff, and this is it: longs and shorts. XRP longs, Bitcoin shorts. It's the easiest money that you can make. And while I am talking like a broader term, like worldwide event happening, I do believe that this is one of the last couple cycles that we'll have in crypto. I genuinely believe that. Obviously crypto is going to be around forever, but I do think it's going to get to a point where shit's just so corrupt that it doesn't even make sense trading. And maybe that doesn't make sense to a lot of people. I just see it the same way as the stock market. Like, it's so hard to make it in stocks for a lot of people. It's not that way in crypto right now, but it's going to be, and I believe both of them, stocks and crypto, 10 years from now are going to be unrecognizable from the way they are today because of AI and the way that everything is taking over. So yeah, that's my warning to you. This is my prediction, and I honestly hope I'm wrong. But as someone that has personally been in this shit, been in the trenches of the online money making space, and really been paying attention to everything for the better part of a decade plus, I see no other way this is going besides absolutely just demolishing the lower class people. And if you believe that you have it in you to make it, you can. I 100% believe that that's possible. In order for you to even make money or to do something incredible, you got to believe it up here first. So if you're doubting yourself and you don't believe you could do it, and you don't think that you're ever going to be rich, it's probably not going to happen. But for the people that have that drive in them and they really want to make a fuck ton of money, you're in the right space, but you're running out of time. So I guess I'll leave you with this. I need you to lock in, because at the end of the day, you're running out of time. And 10 years from now, we probably won't even be able to have these same conversations. It's kind of fucking crazy. It's one of those, this whole AI shit, it is one of those things that it can keep you up at night if you really just go deep down the rabbit hole and just understand like how much this shit's about to change in the world. I mean, you're already seeing, I'd estimate, and I've seen estimates online, over half of what you're seeing every day is AI already. And it's the worst it's ever gonna be. It's only a matter of time before we hop on this shit and we can't even believe what we're seeing. You know, you literally can't even look at a screen without thinking, damn, is this real? It's kind of like funny. We used to look at social media to kind of keep in the loop with everything, but I think that we're gonna revert back to the old days where you kind of gotta see it to believe it, because shit's just gonna get so unbelievable. Oh man, it's getting crazy. I love you guys. If you want to stay up to date, be on the IG. I post all my plays there. And as always, download Market Mirror. It has a lot of useful data and will help you in your journey to conquering crypto. And without further ado, I have a wedding to go to. My own wedding. Isn't that crazy? I'm literally about to leave right now. I'll see you guys in the next video.